Hello everyone and welcome to Math Valley. So today we have a mathematics Olympiad problem over here and we have to simplify this. And the options of this particular problem are given as A30, B6, C minus 6 and D 9. Let's see what problem is. In square bracket, we have 5 in bracket 16 raised to 1 by 4 plus 81 raised to 1 by 4 bracket close raised to 4 square bracket close raised to 1 by 5 whole divided by in bracket 1's cube plus 2's cube plus 3's cube bracket close raised to minus 1 over 2 times in square bracket. Again in bracket 729 over 125 raised to minus 5 over 3 times in bracket 25 over 81 whole bracket raised to minus 5 over 2. So first let's write this 5 as it is. So we have 5 again in bracket some changes we can make. So the 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4 and 16's index was 1 by 4 which now can be written as 4 times 1 by 4 plus similarly here. Now this 81 is so 81 can be written as 3 raised to 4 and this 1 by 4 can be written as times 1 by 4. Now whole bracket raised to 4 and again whole square bracket raised to 1 by 5 is given. Now let's see what changes can be done in the denominator. So we have 1's cube is 1 itself plus 2's cube is 8 plus 3's cube is 27 whole bracket raised to negative 1 over 2. Now here in this bracket, we have two brackets in multiplication and their indices are negative. Now we will have to change this negative indices into positive. And for this process, and with this process, if we change the sign of indices, then we know that we have to make reciprocals of the bases. So this 729 upon 125 will be turned out into 125 upon 729. Now the index will be turned out as positive 5 upon 3. Similarly with this bracket, this 25 upon 81 can be written as 81 upon 25 whole bracket raised to minus 5 upon 2 was given, but now we made the reciprocal of the base. So this negative sign will be turned out as positive, means 5 upon 2 and bracket close. Now, okay, let's solve for this bracket. This 5 will be as it is, then this is 16 in bracket. I can write multiplication sign here. This is 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4 and this hold on a second, this is already done. Okay, now let's see what change will be occur here. This 4 will be cancelled out with this one, this 4 will be cancelled out with this one. So what's remain in this bracket is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Hold on a second. Okay, 5 raised to 4 of course, and a whole bracket raised to 1 upon 5. Let's see what can we do in the denominator. So in this bracket, in the denominator, we have 1 plus 8 plus 27, whose sum is 36, obviously. And the index of this number or this bracket was minus 1 by 2. So we have 36 raised to negative 1 by 2. Then here in this bracket, so 125 can be written as, or we can say 125 upon 729 can be written as 5 upon 9 whole bracket raised to 3 or whole brackets cube, because 5's cube is 125 and 9's cube is 729. So this bracket we wrote as this, and this index of 5 upon 3 we can write it as times 5 upon 3 into, similarly here, 81 is the square of 9 and 25 is the square of 5 whole bracket square. So this is the value of this bracket, but we have index 5 upon 2 of this bracket. So this can be written as times 5 upon 2. Now this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. So further we'll write here. Now let's observe this bracket. So we have 5 means 5 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 4. So we have equal bases in the multiplication. At that time we write the base at once and we make addition of indices. So we get 5 raised to 5 whole bracket raised to 1 upon 5 divided by, in the denominator we have to change this negative sign of index into positive. At that time the reciprocal of base will occur. So we get 1 upon 36 whole bracket raised to 1 by 2. And in this bracket, so what's remain here, 5 by 9 whole bracket raised to 5 can be written as 5 raised to 5 upon 9 raised to 5. Similarly with this one, we have a 9 raised to 5 whole bracket raised to 5 can be written as 9 raised to 5 upon 5 raised to 5. So now this 5 raised to 5 and this will be cancelled out with this one, and this 9 raised to 5 will be cancelled out with this 9 raised to 5. So what remain here, 5 raised to 5 whole bracket raised to 1 by 5. So this 5 will be cancelled out with this 5. So in the numerator we have 5 only. Now we know that if the rational index of any number is 1 by 2, means we have to write the square root of the given number. So we get the square root of 1 divided by square root of 36. So we can write it as square root of 1 is 1 itself, and the square root of 36 can be written as 6. So we have 5 upon 1 divided by 1 by 6 can be written as 5 upon 1 times 6 upon 1 will return us a value 5 into 6, and the product of 5 into product of 5 and 6, or 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 is the final answer of this expression, which means option A is correct. So I hope you understand this video. If you have a special requirement, you can let us know in the comment box. And if you really like this video, please make sure that you press the like button over there. And if you want a more exciting videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye.